Hey friends, welcome back to our channel.
Planning the perfect day at the Magic Kingdom? I have got you covered. We'll hit the biggest thrill rides first, explore the parade, Christmas decoration, hidden gems, and the best food spots, all while I share tips from my point of view to make the most of your day. And we'll end with the most magical fireworks and nighttime parade. Let's experience Magic Kingdom the right way. Tron Run, one of the most in demand rides at the Magic Kingdom, and our top priority. Do it early if you don't want to risk missing it, or ride at the night for that incredible neon experience. If you have lighting lane, that's the best because standby can hit 2.5 hours like ours, and we had to skip the other rides. Ride it early and if you can, go again. It's that good. Next is another fan favorite, the Seven Dwarfs train. It's the perfect mix of family fun and thrills. Check for the app for shorter waits, especially during the parades. And while in the line, explore the mine decor and interactive gems. It makes the wait part of the fun. Next, my personal favorite, the Tiana's Adventure. Best during the day for stunning outdoor views. Heads up, it can get you wet. So right before it gets dark and chilly. The wait here can get pretty crazy too. But trust me, the ride is long, immersive and completely worth it. Every detail of the story is beautifully brought to life, an experience you don't want to miss. Next up, the legendary Space Mountain, a thrilling indoor coaster. Fast, dark, and full of surprises, it's perfect for thrill seekers. Even in the dark, the track design and the space themed effect are incredible, making every twist and turn feel like you're blasting through the galaxy. Try to ride it during early morning or later in the evening when crowds are lighter. Next up, the sail on the classic Pirates of the Caribbean. This iconic ride is full of pirate themed adventure, detailed scenes, and surprises around every corner. A must do for fans of all ages.
You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map. It's
Time for the Magic Kingdom Christmas Day Parade, a special event only during Christmas week, and we got lucky. It happens twice a day. Watch the parade during lunch, grab your food, find a good spot early, and enjoy the full experience. And for the second parade, hit the rides with the longest queues to maximize your day.
So, cookies so. We go.
This was just a sneak peek of the beautiful parade. For the full experience, check out the link in the description. where I have also shared the complete experience of all the thrill rides. Next, let me take you through all the Christmas decorations from the moment you enter the park all the way to the castle, which is truly the centerpiece of the holiday magic. Every corner is filled with festive details, even the tiniest touches that make this season so special. Don't miss out. The castle and the surrounding areas are the best spots to capture memories. Now let's check out all the small and the fun rides around the park. These are perfect to cover in between the thrill rides. Just keep an eye on the app and whenever you see a short line, hop on and enjoy. For example, the Aladdin ride is a fun and unique experience. And don't miss the Aladdin meet and greet when you're nearby. It's a great memory for the whole family. Same goes for the Tomorrowland Speedway. It's a super fun to spend some time with your little ones. These small rides are perfect if you want to rest a bit but still make the most of your day, keeping the kids entertained and happy. Adding to the list is the Mad Tea Party. Want to take a spin? It's a classic, colorful ride that's perfect for a quick break and some playful fun. The Haunted Mansion. I had high expectations and it still didn't disappoint. A classic, spooky fun ride. It's also perfect if you want to rest your feet or take a quick break in the air conditioning when it's hot outside. Now, let me show you around Tomorrowland. Which has more than just thrill rides. For example, Monster Inc. Laugh Floor is perfect for a quick laugh break. And honestly, the moment the show started, we were laughing the entire time. And if you get hungry, there's the lunching pad, a great spot to grab a quick bite. It's also perfect for character meet and greets. We even met Chip while we were there. Next, we explored Fantasyland, where we got to meet Captain Hook and Mr. Smee. This area is perfect for little ones with lots of fun activities and a magical vibe. Plus, there are plenty of snack and cafe stations around to grab a treat while you're enjoying the area. Next, let's hop on the circus train ride. It's a charming, relaxing ride, perfect for kids and adults alike. The best way to end your day at Magic Kingdom, the fireworks. Finish your rides early, grab dinner, and get a spot in front of the castle before it gets packed. The show starts with Mickey at the castle, followed by stunning fireworks, and ends with the Starlight Parade, the perfect ending to a magical day.
Where did you go?
For the complete experience of both the fireworks and the parade, check out the link in the description below. This is the wrap for the day 2 of our Disney adventure. Today we had a lot of fun at the Magic Kingdom. If you like watching our vlogs, please do like, share and subscribe and follow us along as we'll be covering 2 more theme parks. Thank you for watching.